Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to find and manage blocked users on Gmail with the latest update. If you need to review who you've blocked or make changes, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the side menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. If you have multiple email accounts linked to your Gmail app, choose the account you want to manage. Once you've selected your account, tap on Manage Blocked Users in Chat. This section will display all the users you've blocked in Gmail, allowing you to review or adjust your settings as needed. And that's it. You've now located and can manage your blocked users on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.